Hello my friends, my listener and my followers, dear traders. Today gonna show you one more boom and crush trading strategy. You will use this strategy for scalping on boom 1000 and 500 and crush 500 and 1000 both. Okay, so now it's time to set up the strategy. Watch my steps and follow for settings. Okay, so let's start the setup strategy. First of all, choose moving average, set to default and change period to 3. Okay, once done, click on next and done. Once done, choose this method simple. Okay, and color, choose red. So once again, look, period 3, shift no, method simple and apply to close, and once done. Okay, now again go and select the moving average. It will be second one, 5 moving average, period 5, shift 0, apply to linear wedge and apply to previous indicators data, and choose color, as mine is golden, as you like, no problem, any color, and done. Once again, moving average, leave that period 5, shift 0, method linear wedge, apply to previous indicators data. Okay, and remember, don't change settings of 5 period moving average, just change your chart color, your moving average color. So I will select this color for second. Okay, as showing here on chart 3 moving average. So next one, again moving average, leave the same, just change your color as you like, no problem, any color. Once done, okay, now see 1, 2 and 3 and 4. Okay, now last one, again select that moving average trend indicator, period 15. Okay, and done. Once done, choose linear wedge, previous indicators data, and my recommendation, kindly use 3 pixel and color black. It's my request, don't change and don't choose your color. Once done, okay, now switch to chart. Look, switch to chart and see how we will trade using this scalping strategy on boom and crush. Okay, let me select the arrow and show you the scalping signal. Okay, this is just an awesome little signal. Okay, look here, all moving averages cross each other and starting going down. Okay, as you seen there, all moving averages cross each other and starting going down. Okay, here as you seen, many spikes in crush. So how we will confirm this? This is an awesome signal and not a fake signal. This is true thing in trading call. So look, this main moving average, this black one is main moving average. If black one is crossing all moving averages and starting going down or up, it's call of trade. So must remember, once 15 period that black moving average cross all moving averages, start placing your order. 10 pips SL, 10 pips SL in boom and crush. Use proper money management. Always remember, money management is good to make money and stay long in market. Okay, so next one, I will zoom the chart and show you correct. Look here, all moving averages cross each other. Okay, before this 15, all moving averages cross each other. We have to wait for this 15 moving average. 15 moving average cross and told us market is going to start a bullish trend. That bullish trend. Okay, now you have to place your trade here and put your stop loss 10 pips, just here 10 pips. Okay, and start going with this 15 period moving average. Okay, as you seen, how many pips after this cross. After this cross, market again close our trade here. This is an exit point. Okay, let's one more example, and we select the arrow. Okay, as you seen, all moving averages cross each other, and that black one after cross and start going down. Look how many spikes. Here many traders using different strategies to catch spikes, and they just lost. No, 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 no. Just forget about your previous strategies. Delete all and select this one. Okay, look, 1 spike, 2 spike, 3 spike and 4 and some dots. This is an awesome strategy. Use on demo first. Try to understand once all clear, and practice on real and start making money. For any question, for any help, WhatsApp and Telegram open. I will give the link in description. Thanks for watching.